Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato sauce for Mandi. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth cooking process. You'll need about 3 ripe tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 small green chili for a bit of heat. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. A pinch of salt will enhance all these wonderful flavors. Now, let's get everything prepped. Start by roughly chopping your 3 ripe tomatoes and the small green chili. This doesn't need to be precise, as it will all be blended later. Next, peel and finely mince your 2 cloves of garlic. This releases their aromatic oils. Finally, wash and roughly chop the 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. Having these steps done beforehand makes the blending process much quicker and easier. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring them together. Carefully transfer all the chopped tomatoes, chili, garlic, and cilantro into your blender or food processor. Now, add the half teaspoon of cumin powder, the 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and your pinch of salt. Blend everything until it reaches a smooth consistency, but don't overdo it. A little texture is desirable for Mandi sauce. Your delicious Mandi tomato sauce is almost ready. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a bit more salt or a touch more chili for extra kick. This fresh sauce is best served immediately with your warm Mandi. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.